Hi guys, today we are going to solve problem number 34, which is find first and last position of an element in sorted array. Given an array of integers, num sorted in non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If the target is not found in the array, then return -1 comma -1. You must be right in an algorithm with big of log n runtime complexity. So here our example is, we can see here, the nums is 5 7 7 8 8 10, and our target is 8. So we have to return the position of starting position of 8 and ending position of the 8. In this array we can see 5, the position of 5 is 0, here is 1, here is 2, and the position of first 8 is 3, and the last 8 is 4. So we have written an array 3 comma 4. Let's see how it is possible. So we have taken the same example. um our target is 8, and we have to return the position of 8, starting position and ending position both. So we are going to see the logic here. So first of all, we are going to create an array where we can store first and the last position of the 8. So the size of the array should be 2, 2, and we are going to initialize our first starting and ending position -1 first of all, because we have not find the solution. Then in that case we have to return -1. So you are going to start our loop I less than nums dot length. See here, if we are going to iterate on this array, so I equal to 0, I equal to on the 0th position there is 5, so 5 is equal to 8, no. So by similarly we are going to that 8, and yes, it is similar to that target value. So you have to going to store the position of 8 in that nums array, where we are storing the ith position in the nums array. And after that we are going to take a variable j, which is a start from the I and going to the last position of the array, like length of the array. So here we are going starting while loop, j should be less than nums dot length. Okay, and nums of j equals to target, in that case j plus plus. Like see here, we are starting our j from here, ith position. So in that case, if the nums of j equal to target, then our j is similarly plus plus. So we have, as you know, the array is sorted, so we are going to increase 1 1, and if the here is 8, so our j is going to plus plus. If here also is 8, then our going to j plus plus. So in that cases, until we are not finding the like j not equal to target, at that position we are going to do j plus plus. If our target is not equal to nums as j, then the our last index should be like j minus 1 position. See here, our our while loop fails here on the 10th position. So in that case, we are and last position of it will be like j minus 1. If the position of j is like here 10th position, then j minus 1, that it comes to the 8th position here. So in that cases we are going to store our j minus 1. So that is the main logic here. So we are going to code that logic in the form of code. Into j equal to here our j starting from the ith position, and at that position here our loops while loops gets terminated. So our last position of the target should be j minus 1. So you are going to store in answer variable, answer array. One should be j minus 1, and here we are going to return our answer. Here we are going for break. After that we are not need to going irritating element or answer funds here, so you have to break that. Let's check. Oh my god, here int j equal to I. Oh, semicolon we have, I think, missed it here. Accepted, test cases passes, submitted. Yeah, here our all the test cases passes and solution accepted, beats 100% complexity.